Hello everyone, good day. My name is Manuel Christian, aka Obination Signature. I want to let you know that God loves you. How is your relationship with Him? God needs you back. He's calling from wherever you're watching. And thank you for watching. Thank you for connecting. We're a family that believes in God, and we're a family that want to grow professionally in Locs game. So in our last episode, we spoke about how you use the Locs machine uh, um, to do Locs installation, and also we use two different methods, and we also show you the routine on how to use your machines to work. So if it's not new to you, you know the first step you need to do before you use the machine. If you don't know the first step, you slide in our previous video and you see it there. Then in this episode now, I want to show you how to merge two Locs together. So you will permit me to change the head of this uh, machine to the bigger size that can merge these two Locs together. Then I will explain some things to you. But do not forget, we sell the Locs machine in case you are interested and you want to buy. We sell the Locs machine. So you can just reach out to us in our DM, maybe through our WhatsApp. You can send us a mail. Any way you want to reach out to us. For a quick response, you reach us on our WhatsApp number or on our Instagram account. So I want to change the head of this machine. So our routine is that anytime you want to change the head of the machine, always disconnect. So we're disconnecting. Yeah. Okay. There's the key. So I think this size, I wanted to use this bigger size, but believe this size can enter, is workable here. So anytime you want to merge Locs, please don't use head that is almost the same size with the log extension you're going to use. So if for instance this size is what you're using, because this is combination of 0.6 0.6, if you combine them they are above 0.8, so you're supposed to use 1 centimeter. So as it stands, I don't have 1 centimeter, so I will use the available size I have. But please, in your own when you buy the machine from us, you have the complete set of heads, so you can use any size you want and to get any desire you want. So now let me quickly change the head. So let's assume this is the size I want to achieve. So now when you want to connect, want to merge Locs, if it's somebody's hair, that is a real person's hair, you cannot merge these two Locs directly. If you do that, the Locs is going to be weak, and when it's weak, if you pull it, it's going to snap, it's going to break. So the best way to merge Locs is you will need the help of this your Afro King keyboard to merge the Locs. You need the help of this Afro King keyboard because this is a 4C here, and it functions with it works with your own hair. So in the game of Locs, you want to either refill your Locs or you want to merge Locs, you need the help of this kinky because there are some parts that have thin out, and if you use that machine to stitch that part, it's going to break out. So you use the help of this kinky to do that. So you can actually keep the kinky this way, or you can decide to wrap the kinky. So let me show you how you merge. So now what you do is you fetch the size of kinky you want, then you put it like this, then you can decide to use your one pin to just crossing it this way. Are you seeing it? This is how you keep doing it so that the hair will join. So I will not go far. I just want to do it halfway so you guys can see how the stuff work. So I also do it here too. So you can use this method for locks refilling and for merging. So now this is what I get. So I'll massage it. After massaging it now, I'm going to connect my machine. So when I'm connecting my machine, I will in this video I will choose to use a let me use 18 because the size I'm going to get is bigger. So I want the needle to work faster for me. So I'll just connect it like this. Let me pull this back. So put in the head like this. So I'll begin to sew. So if you are sewing, you sew in a circular form so that the hair can go round. The hair can go round. Now this is a perfect job. You can see this is how you merge logs with the machine. The machine gives you a very perfect way of merging logs with the help of the king key. Your logs is going to look moderate, marvelous, and good. So this is how you merge. Can you see it? Can you see it? So if you want to trim, it's up to you. If you don't want to trim, it's up to you. So now what happens here is that the places that are weak, the kinky helps to refill that place. Also, the kinky also serve as a rope that hold these logs together so that it will not open. And also it also gives the body of the logs smooth finishing so that the logs will not scatter. Then also you can see that the reason why we are circling it is so that when we are merging the logs will be round in shape. But if you do not circle it when we are merging, if you do not turn the logs, the merging is going to be flat. Some face is going to be flat, while some place will not be flat. So the best way to get a round shape this thing is by twisting the log when you are, let me show you, when you are merging, you twist. And that twist also helps to reduce the amount of breakage you're supposed to have, because when you leave it on a straight line, it's going to make the locks too firm. The lock is going to be very firm and it's not going to be flexible, it's not going to be soft. But when you are doing it on a round method, it's going to be very, very smooth and flexible. So that's how you do it. And also it helps to hide the traces of the needle sewing. This machine, what this machine does is like more like you're using two pins to merge locks. That's what the machine is doing to this thing. So you can see the body, how neat and how fluffy it is. So for any size of locks you want to do, I am from 0.8 millimeter upward. This is how you merge locks professionally. So thank you for watching. In our next video, we are going to show you how you are going to refill locks with this locks machine. And we are also going to show you um, how to make lock extension with the machine. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. We'll see you in our next video. I still remain Obinusho Signature, Emmanuel Christian. And do not forget to buy the machine from us. Do not forget to buy the kicking from us. And one interesting thing is that if any part of the machine is missing or broken or spoiled, you can easily get it from us. Let's say if it's the adapter that has your own adapter has issues, do not risk it. You can actually buy from us. Is it the you want a customized size of head? You can also get it from us. Is it the the needle that got that needs replacement? You can also get it from us. Is the anything at all that you want to get, you can actually get it from us. If you want to get the Afro keyboard any length, you can also get it from us. And this channel is a channel that will help you grow and make a lot of money from Locs business. Locs business is one of the lucrative jobs I've seen and requires a small amount of capital for a startup and you earn very big. So this is a family you grow as a loctician. Please ensure you subscribe not to miss out such opportunity. Thank you so much.